I am from Gogras Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 9, that is related to inverse trigonometric functions, chapter 2nd of NCERT 12 Mathematics. Here question number 9, it is written, find the principal value of cos inverse in bracket minus 1 over under root 2 bracket 2. Here I shall write solution of question number 9. Here I shall write, given that cos inverse in bracket minus 1 whole over under root 2 bracket close. Here you can see, given that cos inverse in bracket minus 1 whole over under root 2 bracket close. It is given that. What to do next? Here I shall write cos inverse in bracket minus 1 whole over under root 2. Here you can see cos inverse in bracket minus 1 over under root 2 bracket 2 is there. So here I can write cos inverse in bracket minus 1 over under root 2 can be written like this. You know, cos 45 degree equal to 1 over under root 2. It will become cos 45 degree equal to 1 over under root 2. It will become. Now here you can see 45 degree is there in degree. 45 degree will be converted into radian. It will become such that 180 degree equal to pi radian. Therefore, 1 degree equal to pi over 180 radian can be written. This is the rough work I am writing. 45 degree equal to 45 into pi over 180 radian RAD can be written. Now consider this one. I think it will go 4 times it will go. 45 into 4 it comes out to 180. 4 times it will go. It will become 45 degree equal to pi by 4 radian it will become. So in place of cos 45 I can write cos pi by 4 equal to 1 over under root 2 can be written. Now here you can see 1 over under root 2 in place of 1 over under root 2 I can write cos pi by 4. So here I can write cos inverse in bracket minus cos pi by 4 can be written. Now equal to, we know the formula, cos inverse in bracket minus theta equal to pi minus cos inverse theta it will be. You know the formula this one. You can see cos inverse in bracket minus theta bracket close equal to pi minus cos inverse theta it will become. On same pattern I can write here pi minus cos inverse in bracket cos pi by 4 like this it can be written. Pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 4 bracket close. It can be written like this. Now here you can see this one, cos inverse cos pi by 4. Now apply here concept. Concept you know, cos inverse cos theta equal to theta. It will become when theta belong to close interval 0 comma pi close interval. This is the concept. Principal value branch. This is principal value branch. You can see theta is क्या? Principal value branch. Cos inverse cos theta equal to theta equal to principal value branch. Theta is here principal value branch. The theta principal value branch. Theta belong to close interval 0 comma pi close interval. If this condition is there, then cos inverse cos theta equal to theta it will become. Now what to do here? Here you can see cos inverse cos inverse cos. In place of theta, I can take pi by 4. So here I can write theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4. Because cos inverse cos theta pi by 4. But theta equal to pi by 4 it will become. But theta equal to pi by 4 belong to close interval 0 comma pi close interval. So here you can see implied that here you can see pi by 4 means 45 degree. 45 degree belong to close interval 0 comma 180 degree it will become. This means that 45 degree will lie between 0 and 180 degree. So here I can write 45 degree will lie between 45 degree will lie between 0 degree and 180 degree. 45 degree will lie between 0 degree and 180 degree. 0 and 180 degree के बीच में 45 degree will lie. Hence cos inverse cos pi by 4 equal to pi by 4 it will become. Hence cos inverse cos pi by 4 equal to pi by 4 it will become. Hence you can write here cos inverse in bracket -1 over under root 2 equal to, from here you can take pi minus pi by 4, implied that cos inverse in bracket -1 under root 2 equal to, this one it will become 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. Here you can see 1 and 4 is there. Take LCM 4 here. So here it will get 4 pi minus pi. It will become 3 pi. 3 pi by 4 it will become. The cos inverse in bracket -1 whole over under root 2 equal to 3 pi by 4. So here I can write, this will be the correct answer. This will be the correct answer. Here principal value of cos inverse in bracket minus 1 whole over under root 2 bracket close equal to 3 pi by 4. This is the principal value of 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 will be the principal value of cos inverse minus 1 over under root. This is the complete solution of question number 9 here. You can see. This is the rough work. You can see rough work, just you can cross like this. Now come out to here question number 10. So here I shall write solution question number 10. So here I shall write given that cosec inverse in bracket minus under root 2 can be written. You know, sin 45 degree equal to 1 over under root 2, it will become. This is the formula, sin 45 degree equal to 1 over under root 2. This is the formula. The opposite of sin cosec 45 degree it will become. So here you can write cosec 45 degree equal to under root 2. Cosec pi by 4 equal to under root 2 it will become. So here you know the next formula. Here I can write cosec inverse minus, in place of under root 2 I can write cosec pi by 4. So here I can write cosec pi by 4 like this. You know the formula here. Cosec inverse in bracket minus theta equal to minus cosec inverse theta it will become. This is the formula. You can see here. Cosec inverse in bracket minus theta bracket close equal to minus cosec inverse theta it will become. So here you can write equal to minus cosec inverse in bracket cosec pi by 4 bracket close. This will become, you can see, minus 1 equal to minus 1 dot cosec inverse cosec pi by 4. This is the case, you can see. Now here you can see cosec inverse cosec pi by 4. So here I shall apply concept. Concept you know. Cosec inverse in bracket cosec theta equal to theta it will become. When theta belong to cosec inverse of sine, you go range of sine, here you will take minus pi by 4, 2, pi by 2, close interval. Theta belong to close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval. Comma minus, in curly bracket you can write here 0. This is the concept. cosec inverse cosec theta equal to theta, it will become when theta belong to close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval minus in curly bracket 0 curly bracket close. Why 0 is written here? Because you know inverse of cosec is sine. If you take here sine 0 degree equal to 0, but here cosec is there. So if theta becomes 0, so this will become cosec 0 degree. Cosec 0 degree will become 1 upon 0. That will be not defined. That's why 0 will be excluded here. So this is the concept you must know here. This is the rough work. I am going to just pencil out. So this is the concept. You have to show whether theta equal to pi by 4. Here you can see cosec inverse, cosec inverse, cosec, cosec. Theta equal to pi by 4, theta equal to pi by 4. Then you have to prove theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4 belong to close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval minus in curly bracket 0 curly bracket close. You have to, you can see and show that whether pi by 4 belong to close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval. Here 0 is excluded. You can see this will become 45 degree. So 45 degree belong to close interval minus 90 degree comma 90 degree close interval 0 is excluded here. So you can see here 45 degree will lie between minus 90 degree and plus 90 degree. Hence it will become cosec inverse cosec pi by 4 equal to pi by 4 it will become. Cosec inverse cosec pi by 4 equal to pi by 4 it will become, because pi by 4 equal to 45 degree is belong to close interval minus 90 degree comma 90 degree close interval minus in curly bracket 0 curly bracket close. So here you can see minus 1 is there. And now here you can write very well cosec inverse minus under root 2. Original question, cosec inverse minus under root 2, cosec inverse minus under root 2 equal to minus 1. So here write minus 1. And cosec inverse cosec pi by 4, cosec inverse cosec pi by 4 equal to pi by 4 it will become. So here write pi by 4 equal to minus pi by 4 will be the correct answer. So here you can write principal value of cosec inverse minus under root 2 equal to minus pi by 4 will be the correct answer. Principal value of cosec inverse minus under root 2 bracket close equal to minus pi by 4, that will be the correct answer. This is the complete solutions of question number 9 and question number 10 here. Okay.